How to stop sharing call history between Androids. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up the settings of this device. So just go to the settings and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on apps and then select on manage apps. Now scroll down to find the option of contacts. So you can just find contacts right here and then tap on the application. Then scroll down and you can find the option of app permissions. Now make sure that your contacts are disabled. It will give you this little pop-up. So you'll select on don't allow anyway and then select on phone as well and make sure that you disable this permission as well. Select on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway again, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.